Warm greetings to everyone tuning in. A delightful culinary journey awaits us today. A beautiful shot of a chef chopping vegetables in a kitchen. We're embarking on a flavor-packed adventure, exploring unusual recipes from around the world. A montage of different exotic ingredients being showcased. Our mission? To create delicious, unique and easy-to-make dishes that will transport your taste buds to far-off lands. A shot of a dish being plated and garnished. Whether it's the spicy tang of Moroccan tagine or the savory delight of Japanese okonomiyaki, we've got you covered. A close-up shot of a steaming bowl of Moroccan tagine. So strap on your aprons and get ready as we dive into the world of extraordinary flavors. Our first stop on this culinary journey is the vibrant country of Morocco. Today we're going to immerse ourselves in the rich, aromatic world of Moroccan cuisine. And what better dish to start with than the traditional Moroccan tagine? Named after the earthenware pot it's cooked in, tagine is a slow-cooked stew, brimming with tender meat and an array of fragrant spices. It's a staple in Moroccan households, a symbol of their hospitality, and a testament to their love for flavor-packed, hearty meals. Each bite of the tagine tells a story of its cultural significance, taking you through the bustling souks and the tranquil, sun-soaked terraces of Morocco. The ingredients we'll need for this recipe are quite simple. Some good quality meat, preferably lamb or chicken, a medley of vegetables, and of course, the signature blend of Moroccan spices. Now that we know what we're making, it's time to actually start cooking. So, gather your ingredients and follow along. The beauty of Moroccan tagine lies in its simplicity and the symphony of flavors it offers. Let's dive in, shall we? First things first, gather all your ingredients. You'll need lamb or beef, chopped into chunks, a mix of vegetables like carrots and zucchini, some garlic, onions, and of course, a range of spices. The stars here are turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, and saffron. Now here's a little secret. The magic of a true Moroccan tagine is in the marinating. So mix your meat with garlic, onions, and all those beautiful spices, and let it rest. While the longer, the better. Even an hour can do wonders. Next, we move on to cooking. In a traditional tagine pot or a heavy-bottomed pan, heat some olive oil and brown your marinated meat. Once it's browned, add in your chopped vegetables and stir. Now this is where it gets interesting. Add enough water to just cover the ingredients, and then let it simmer. Slow cooking is the essence of a good tagine, so let it gently bubble away for about an hour or until the meat is tender and the flavors have melded together. While that's cooking, let's talk about couscous. Traditionally, tagine is served with couscous, and preparing it is as easy as pie. Just pour boiling water over the couscous, cover, and let it sit until it's fluffy. And here's a pro tip. To make your tagine even more flavorful, add a handful of dried fruit like apricots or prunes during the last 15 minutes of cooking. They'll add a sweet contrast that makes this dish truly unique. Once your tagine is cooked, serve it over the couscous, garnish with some fresh coriander, and there you have it. And voila, your Moroccan tagine is ready to be savored. For our next culinary adventure, we're traveling to the land of sushi and samurais, Japan. Here, we'll delve into the wonders of okonomiyaki, a savory pancake that's a staple in Japanese cuisine. Okonomiyaki, when broken down, means grilled as you like it, giving us a clue about its versatile nature. This dish is adored across Japan, and it's not hard to see why. Imagine a pancake that's a medley of flavors, with crisp cabbage, succulent seafood, or tender meat, held together by a batter that's light yet flavorful, topped with a tangy sauce, mayonnaise, and a sprinkle of seaweed. It's a symphony of taste and texture that'll have your taste buds dancing. To whip up this dish, we'll need cabbage, flour, eggs, and your choice of protein. Seafood or pork belly are popular picks. Plus, don't forget the okonomiyaki sauce and Japanese mayonnaise for that final flourish. With the introduction done, it's time to start cooking. Ready your utensils and ingredients. Making okonomiyaki is like creating a piece of art. It's all about balance and harmony of flavors. Let's dive right into the process. Our first step is to prepare the batter. Grab a bowl and mix together flour, baking powder, sugar, and dashi soup stock. You're looking for a pancake-like consistency here. Once you've got that, fold in some shredded cabbage, chopped green onions, and pickled ginger. Don't be shy with your ingredients. Okonomiyaki is all about abundance. Now let's add some protein. Thinly sliced pork belly is traditional, but you can also use shrimp, squid, or even chicken. Just remember, the key here is thin slices for quick cooking. Next, we heat a griddle or a non-stick pan over medium heat. Spread a scoop of your batter onto the griddle, making a pancake about ½ an inch thick, and lay your protein on top. After about 3 minutes, when the bottom is golden brown, it's time for the exciting part, the flip. Don't worry if it doesn't go perfectly. Okonomiyaki is forgiving. While the other side cooks, let's prepare the toppings. Okonomiyaki sauce, which is similar to Worcestershire sauce but sweeter, is a must. Drizzle it on generously. Then sprinkle on some ayanori, or green seaweed, and katsuobushi, which are bonito flakes. Finish with a dollop of Japanese mayonnaise, and you've got yourself a masterpiece. Now here's a tip for those of you who want to take your okonomiyaki to the next level. Try adding some noodles to the batter for a variation called modanyaki. It's a bit more filling, but oh so delicious. Remember, okonomiyaki is all about personal preference. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients and find your perfect combination. Congratulations, you're now a pro at making okonomiyaki. Don't forget to share your creations. Until next time, happy cooking! Well, we've done it. We've traversed the globe and cooked up 2 unique and delicious dishes. From the aromatic and hearty Moroccan tagine to the savory and comforting okonomiyaki, we've delved into the rich tapestry of global cuisine. Remember, the key is in the details. Take your time and savor the process. So go on, don your apron and let your kitchen become a passport to the world. And when you do, share those culinary adventures. Thank you for joining on this culinary journey. Until next time, happy cooking.